It's a common misconception, and a lot of people will tell you that when you're looking to buy a battery for your vehicle, the higher the CCA rating on that battery, the better the battery is. Now, is that actually true? Well, not entirely. Firstly, we need to look at how CCA is actually measured. CCA is the current that a fully charged battery can deliver for a period of 30 seconds whilst maintaining a voltage of at least 7.2 volts. Now that sounds a little bit complicated, but another thing to consider is that this test is performed at -18 degrees Celsius. The current that a battery can produce reduces the colder they get, so a CCA rating is actually an indication of how a battery performs in severe cold starting conditions. Many battery brands will actually tailor the construction of their batteries to ensure that they achieve a very high CCA rating, higher than that of their competitors, so that people will see that rating and buy that battery. But this can have a negative side effect. You see, the CCA rating of a battery can actually be boosted by the amount of lead plates which you put into each of the 6 cells. The more individual plates you can fit into every cell, the higher the CCA rating of that battery is going to be. But if you take a look at how wide a cell is, if you're trying to fit more plates into that cell, the plates themselves have to be thinner to fit into that same amount of real estate. So because those plates are thinner, they're going to be weaker, and there's going to be an impact on how strong or how durable that battery is potentially going to be. It may crank your engine faster, but it generally won't last anywhere near as long. So with Yuasa batteries, we try to strike a balance between the two. Our batteries feature expertly designed internal components and durable construction to help combat the causes of battery failure and deliver what motorists really want: longer life and superior performance. For more information, visit the website yuasabatteries.com.au.